Hello everyone, welcome to the Drunken Spear. Come on inside and have a look. Alright, so this is the inside of the Spear. This is where we play D&D and we're going to set up our podcast. That's what this video is about, setting up the podcast. We have just gotten our equipment in from sweetwater.com and we have the RodeCaster Pro. And we have 4 Rode pod mics. And then we have our XLR cables. And we have 4 mic stands. Gator Frameworks. So, let's go ahead and start getting these opened. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this opened. Just put this out there. This is my first time ever messing with any kind of podcasting equipment or anything of the sort. So what I'll do is I'll give you my impressions of it and how easy it is to actually use. Because, like I said, I'm a total noob. I have 0 experience with this stuff. All right, so we got the slip cover off. And this is the box underneath. We're gonna go ahead and open up this portion of the box. And pulls open. Like so. So one of the first things that I've noticed about immediately opening one of this thing up, is it comes with some detailed diagrams. To help you set it up, which is really nice, especially for someone who has 0 idea on what they're doing. So that was the very first thing I noticed opening this thing up. And there she be. Very nice. Well packed, I might add. They've done a nice job with this so far. Power cord. And then this, it obviously plugs into there. And we have our thing that goes to the PC, which is really nice that they've included that. They've also given, I don't know if you can maybe write on these. Someone in the comments, feel free to let me know. But they fit right over the buttons like this. I'm assuming that way you can write on that card and it tells you exactly what your preset buttons are for. So that's a really nice thing to add. Really. Okay, so we decided to go ahead and skip all the unboxing stuff and we're gonna get right into this thing. This is about showing you how easy this thing is to use for somebody who has, this is their first time messing with any kind of equipment like this, a mixer, mics, all this stuff, headphones, super easy. If you can plug something in, you can run the RodeCaster Pro, a phenomenal device. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it, and you'll notice the audio will change. Right now I'm filming on a iPhone, so the audio is going to the iPhone, and we're going to switch it to the RodeCaster. So you'll get the video from the phone and then the audio from the RodeCaster here in just a second. So now we're switched over to the RodeCaster Pro. I'm sure you can hear the difference in the sound. The sound probably sounds so much better. On the video before, I'm not going to edit it. It's not going to be edited at all. And you'll be able to hear the difference in the sound. So that'll give you a good measure at what the RodeCaster Pro can do for your audio. It's simple. It's so simple to use. I can't stress that enough. I highly recommend it. It cuts out so much work and it makes somebody who is new to podcasting, mixers, and this equipment, it makes it easy for them. The extra money was well worth it. That's all I can say. It comes with sound banks and preloaded sounds that you can play, which is really nice. So like if you want to do an intro for your podcast, here's my intro. If someone says something funny, if you're quick enough. I find that right now when we're recording, I always miss those cues. So I'm going to have to get better at that. There's just all kinds. There's crickets. And these are preloaded sounds, so you can add your own. I've added, like the intro was mine. A few songs I've put on here that we intend on using for D&D. But it's nice. It takes a lot of the work out for you. You won't have to go in and add your music for your show later. If you wanted music in there, it's already right here. And it's easy to use. Hopefully this video will show that. That's the goal. Show how easy is the RodeCaster Pro and what can it do for me if I'm just starting out. And I've heard on different individuals, they've said that it's even good for an advanced level. So if it's from beginners to advanced, if you're new, it's great. And if you're a guy who's been doing this, or gal who's been doing this for a really long time, then it's for you too. So that's awesome. Well worth the price. I recommend getting it. I went through sweetwater.com. They have amazing customer service. One of the reps actually gave me a call and told me that when I ordered my headphones, he told me that they didn't have all of them, and they didn't have the free mic stands in stock because they have a promo going on right now that if you buy one of their headphones, at least the Rode headphones, that they give you a free mic stand with every set of headphones. So I ordered 4 headphones. And this is out of my pocket. I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever. And they call me and they say, hey, we don't have all 4 of the mic stands. Would you like us to hold your headphones and then ship the mic stands out with the headphones when they come in? And I told him, I was like, well, I really need those headphones because we're going to start recording and they're essential to what we're doing. And he's like, oh, okay. So they shipped out the headphones separate, and the headphones arrived in 2 days. So that was fast, and it's a holiday weekend too. So that's quick. They shipped out, they got to me in 2 days, ordered them on Thursday, had them Saturday morning. So that was awesome. And then they're going to eat the shipping for the mic stands to send those to me separate so that I could get my headphones. So you can't ask for better customer service than that. Highly recommended. Check them out. Sweetwater.com. And if you want to hear more from this RodeCaster Pro, we have a podcast that we're doing on Spotify right now. We hope to get to Apple iPhone or the Apple podcast. We intend on getting there eventually, but right now we're just on Spotify. It's the Drunken Spear Tabletop Gaming. Same as the YouTube channel here. Check us out. Listen to it. See what you think. The audio on this thing is amazing. So everybody in the group that we're working with here is brand new. So that'll let you know just how easy it is to use the RodeCaster Pro and get high quality sound and have a high quality podcast, in my opinion. The trailer for us is already up, and if you can listen to it and let me know what you think. We're open to criticism, because that's the only way you get better. So, well, hope everyone has a great day, and God bless.